still believe love could really be like a Broadway show. You are that star, you're a native New Yorker.